To the hotel joaquin in Laguna Beach. This hotel is so cute. It's a little boutique hotel. It's so calm. The energies are great. So we're just doing a little staycation here. Of course, that includes relaxing, but also doing just a little bit of work. So I brought my Razer laptop with me. Whenever we do staycations and I do have work to do, I try to get that done first and, you know, get it out of the way and then relax. It's so peaceful because we have a good view of the beach. I love the beach, just the waves are everything. So I brought my super cute, durable, and efficient Razer book with me. This just makes me feel real kawaii. I love how all the boards light up. I like that this is really lightweight, so it's really easy to travel with. And it has all these ports. It has a USB port and then USB-C, and then the same on the other side. So I don't need to bring any converters, and the USB-C is really important because I use that to transfer files when I edit photos. I feel like whenever I travel or even when I'm at home, I like to work, you know, on the sofa. Especially when I travel, I work on the beds, and this is really great because the computer doesn't get overheated. There's vents on the bottom because sometimes I found that the computers get a little hot, but this one stays nice and cool. Plus, a major unlock with this is the battery life, especially when I travel or I skip out for the day. I don't like to bring my charger, but this one lasts all day long, which I really appreciate. Also, very cool functionality. This logs in with facial recognition, so there we are. Right up here, I have all my tasks open that I need to get done for the day. Not in really any particular order. I have everything listed, so it's nice and convenient for me because I'm very much so I need to check things off as I go. Done. Now we are going to go online and post. Honestly, I feel like in the past, the way that I did everything was after my morning routine, after I like meditated, read, journal, but the first thing I do when I open my phone now is check the crypto market. It's so much fun. That's what I open first, and then of course I'll go check on like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. But even I feel like I'm quite strategic about how I use social media. So how I manage my time is I'll go on Instagram to post,
and then I'll cap my time. So I'll post, probably scroll for like 5-10 minutes, engage, and then I'll jump off. And then later in the day I'll go back on. But I found that if I'm scrolling a lot in the beginning of the day or the middle of the day, it throws off my entire concentration. So I feel like I have to do it very strategically, especially with TikTok, because it will suck you in. So it's honestly, it's a trap. It's so much fun. This is my favorite travel case, travel bag from Net-a-Porter. I have 2 of these, but they are literally the best to travel with. Fits all my makeup products, and it's just a cute little tweezer gang. It was so nice. So we just ate dinner out on our little private little patio area, just trying to keep to ourselves. But then we also walked to this Mexican restaurant, and the food was so delicious, and it was so nice just to go walking at night, and it started raining. It was so nice. How nice was it?
It was cutie bears. Rewind the tape back, watch the rain.